Have you ever found yourself stuck in a rut where the thought of formulating another beauty product feels more daunting than exciting? Maybe you're sitting there, surrounded by bottles, beakers, and botanicals, yet the inspiration just won't come. You're not alone. Even the most passionate cosmetic chemists can hit a wall of motivation sometimes. But here's the thing, every moment of laziness or lack of motivation is an opportunity in disguise. An opportunity to reignite that spark and dive back into the creative process with even more enthusiasm than before. First off, remember why you started. Was it the thrill of creating something new? The joy of watching ingredients transform into a beautiful product? Or the satisfaction of solving a tricky formulation challenge? Whatever it was, take a moment to reflect on those feelings. Sometimes, reconnecting with your initial passion can be the strongest motivator to get you moving again. Next, set small, achievable goals. The thought of developing a whole new product line might be overwhelming, but what about just one small batch of lip balm or a new shade of eyeshadow? Breaking down your tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces can make the process feel less daunting and more doable. Celebrate each small victory, and before you know it, you'll have a whole new collection of products to be proud of. Change up your routine. Sometimes, all it takes to spark creativity is a change of scenery. Try formulating in a different space, or switch up the time of day you work on your projects. Even rearranging your workspace can make the old feel new and exciting again. You'd be surprised how much a little change can refresh your perspective. Seek inspiration. Inspiration is everywhere, in nature, in art, in the people around us. Take a walk outside, visit a museum, or chat with fellow formulators. Watch videos on the Green Beauty Chemist channel, where we share tips, tricks, and inspiration for cosmetic chemists at all levels. Not only will you learn something new, but you might just find the spark you need to get back to creating. Connect with your community. The beauty formulation community is vast and supportive. Share your struggles and successes, ask for advice, and offer your own insights to others. Sometimes just talking about your projects can rekindle your enthusiasm for them. And don't forget to subscribe to the Green Beauty Chemist channel. It's a great place to stay connected, get inspired, and learn from fellow beauty enthusiasts. Finally, give yourself grace. Creativity can't be forced, and it's okay to take breaks. Allow yourself time to rest and recharge, and don't beat yourself up for feeling unmotivated. Sometimes, the best ideas come to us when we're not actively searching for them. Trust that your passion for cosmetic chemistry will guide you back when the time is right. So, if you're feeling lazy or unmotivated, remember that it's just a temporary state. With a little reflection, some small steps, and a dash of inspiration, you'll be back to formulating beauty products with more enthusiasm than ever before. And who knows, your next creation could be your best one yet.